Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Joanne and today I want to talk about this bag right here. This is the Verafied Café Mini and this is in the Python version. And first off, this bag was not gifted to me and this video is not sponsored at all. But as usual, these are my complete honest opinions and my personal experience purchasing directly from the brand and off of their website. So hopefully this video will be really helpful to anyone that's interested in purchasing from Verafied, whether or not it's this bag in particular. But yeah, first off, I want to say I have seen Verafied bags on my socials from various influencers in the past, but there was just nothing that ever really caught my eye until they released this model, the Café Mini, and they have tons of different finishes for this bag, either solid leathers or all these sort of anole prints as well. But when I did see they were going to release it in this Python print, I immediately fell in love. And so once I saw it pop up on their website, I clicked purchase and here it is now. I was also eyeing their cheetah print one as well, but it is in calf hair and I'm just not a huge fan of that feeling of the bag, and I'm also always worried about it perhaps balding, so I skipped out on that, but I am really happy with this bag in particular. But yeah, I'm going to start off talking about my purchasing experience, especially as someone coming from Canada. So I did purchase as an international buyer. Also talk about the quality of the bag, my thoughts on it, do an overview of it as well, and of course do a what fits and Modshots. So if you're interested, please stick around. So first off, like I mentioned, I am in Canada and I did purchase this off of their website. Something that I do really appreciate is that I was able to see the price point in Canadian dollars as well, and my card ultimately was charged in Canadian, so everything was super seamless. They did have a $25 coupon off as a first purchase, so I did take advantage of that. Funny enough, it's actually 25 US dollars, so after conversion it ended up being about $34 Canadian that was taken off of the final price. And before moving on, first thing that I want to say is that if you are an international buyer, so anyone that's outside of the USA purchasing off of their website, everything is final sale, so you can't return or exchange, so that is really disappointing, but just a note in case you were wondering about that. So in addition, the threshold for free shipping is a lot higher as well. And so I had to pay for shipping and duties ultimately. There's just nothing else that I wanted to purchase that would hit that threshold. So it was quite a lot of different fees and things like that in the end. So altogether, this ended up being about $432 Canadian, and they did ship via UPS, and it took about, I would say, a week to arrive at my doorstep. So in terms of the packaging and the shipping, this came in a sturdy cardboard box, and then inside I was a little bit worried because when I first opened it, it didn't have any other stuffing in there. It just had tissue paper wrapped around the bag package, and then also a card that just had more information about the brand. But when I actually looked at it, it was totally fine. There was actually like a custom shaped cardboard cutout on either side of the bag, and it was fully wrapped in the dust bag, had stuffing on it, and everything else, like this hardware right here had stickers on it, so it was totally fine actually, even though it was kind of free-flowing in the box. But like I just said, it did come with a dust bag, and that just looks like this. It's a really nice thick cotton sort of material, and it does have Verified New York on these little ribbon tabs, and it's just a regular drawstring bag. And aside from that, otherwise it just had this little tag right here attached to it, and it says no return if the tag is removed. Again, if you are purchasing from outside the USA, it doesn't really matter because the bag is final sale. Everything is if you purchase off of their website, so I did end up taking this off. But yeah, so that was the shipping, packaging, and everything that it did come with. So moving on, like I mentioned, this is the Python version, and it's not actually Python, it is leather that's Python embossed, and it does have this pattern printed on it. And I do think the patterning is really well done. I just love the look of this, honestly. Super happy with the look of it and the design of it. But aside from that, I will put the dimensions of this bag on the screen for you to reference. This is a mini bag and it is very small, but I would say just based on the design and the structure of it, it can actually fit a decent amount of things in it, and I think would be a great like day to night bag. I feel like you can really dress this up or dress it down. It's just such a versatile bag as well. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't have anything on the outside. And again, there's just subtle details. It's kind of like this pinched look on either side. This doesn't have any feet on the bottom, but that doesn't bother me at all. And then it does have these two super thin top handles. I've never had anything this thin. They're even smaller than any other kind of leather corded bags that I do have. But I think proportionally it looks really nice. And aside from that, it just has these two zipper pulls and they're super chunky. One is just kind of like a narrow cylinder and another one is like a big pyramid. I don't know if you can see, but it does have Verified New York engraved in this metal pyramid sort of end. And yeah, aside from that, this one in particular doesn't have any other logoing on the outside of the bag. I do believe the solid leather ones do have Verified in foiling, I think, at the front, but this one has nothing else. The zipper pull is super smooth, so love that. And this one, if it wasn't obvious enough, comes with silver hardware. Inside is just a lighter material as well, which is super easy to see all of your things in. And aside from that, it does have this small little slip pocket. It's just big enough to fit a card in there, but it does have a little bit of slack in it, so you could put a decent number of cards, I would say, in there. So if you did want to go without a wallet or card holder, I think you could easily stick your cards in there and kind of do without. But yeah, that is all there is to this little bag, and still, again, like I mentioned, really, really nice, and I'm super in love with the design of it. It did come also with a detachable longer strap, so you can wear this bag crossbody, and as you can see, something that I really love about this bag is how seamless that strap actually goes on, because it just has these little leather loops on the side. If you want to wear this bag without the longer strap, I feel like it looks like it's supposed to just be a little top handle bag. So I think that design choice was really well done. And in terms of the longer strap, it's the same thickness as these top handles. So again, a really, really thin cord. It's in the same printed leather as well, in the python finish. And it is actually sewn, so there is no sort of glazing to close this up. So as you can see, there is the string right there, and it's just knotted on either end. And it has this really small ring on either end, and that is what actually attaches to the bag. And then it is finished with these little caps, which are in the same silver metal. So yeah, that is the long strap that it comes with. Very simplistic. I feel like it goes really well with the look of the bag. So now a couple of issues that I did want to point out right off the bat when I first received this bag is that right away when I opened the bag, I instantly was met with a chemical smell, and it's actually even more pronounced when I open the bag itself, and I smell kind of inside the bag. And it's not like a processed leather smell, it is definitely much more on like a chemical smell. So it's a little bit unpleasant. So I'm really hoping that that will eventually go away. The more I use it, the more I kind of air it out. But I did want to point that out. And another thing that was quite disappointing that I noticed right away, just after examining the bag, making sure everything is okay. First off, I find that the print is definitely wearing a little bit right off the bat, where there's been a lot of stress on the leather, which is understandable because it is knotted, but I did just want to point that out. So if you can see right there, you can see quite a bit of cracking just on the leather because it is printed on in terms of the design. And what was a little bit concerning and makes me really worried about the wear and tear is that without wearing it again, right when I opened it, I noticed there was actually a little bit of a rip on the end of this leather. So I don't know if you can see right there. It's already kind of lifted and coming out from the seam right there. So because of that, I'm a little bit worried about the wear and tear of this strap, and hopefully that little leather piece doesn't continue ripping and getting worse, but I did want to point that out. So with that being said, is this bag worth the money based on the quality and everything else and all the other things that I've pointed out in this video? It's yes and no. Quality wise, I think this bag is decent. I love the details, and overall I just absolutely love the design of the bag. Of course, there were those issues that I pointed out. And in terms of like other bags that I own, is this like the most luxurious bag that I've ever felt? Not necessarily, but I do think the quality is decent. But based on that, again, because an international buyer, I did have duties to pay. I had other fees and shipping because this bag doesn't meet the international free shipping threshold. Like all those things considered, and the fact that this is $432 Canadian and it is final sale and all of that, I'm leaning towards the no, it's not really worth it. However, for me personally, do I regret purchasing this? That's also a no. I really am happy with the look of the bag and I'm excited to use it. Honestly, I would say if you're in the USA, I would say yes. I think this is a much more decent purchase, especially if you can purchase it with the discount, like the $25 off. You would get free shipping as well, and you wouldn't have to pay duties. So this would definitely come out to be way cheaper if you were in the USA. Now, in terms of what fits in this bag, like I said, based on the design, it is kind of this sort of like barrel-like rectangular shape, and so because it is really simplistic, there's not a lot of like dividers or anything else in this bag. Actually, I would say it can fit a decent amount of things, so I'm just going to start picking things up and putting them in the bag. So first off, I do have this compact wallet. To save some space, you could use that little back slip pocket to put all of your cards in, or use a card holder, but it does easily fit a nice compact wallet. So I'm just going to slot that there on the back. And then I do have my car fob, so I'll just drop that in there. I do have keys right here. And then I'm going to stick my phone in there. This is a Samsung Galaxy S24 with a phone case, and this fits in no problem. So I'm just gonna fit that right on the other side right there. And it still can fit way more things. So it can fit these AirPods right here. I have these little breath strips, and I'm actually gonna slip that in the little slip pocket. And then I have some lip balm. I have this portable charger. Look at that. And I have this little small hand cream. And if I just stick that there, there's actually still a decent amount of room. Like you could fit a bunch more like lip products and those little things, I would say. And this easily sits up without any issue. And look at that, it can fit all of that and a little bit more, I would say. One thing to note is if you really like that look of the slouch, you're not going to be able to fit much in there. So as you can see, I've filled it up pretty much to the top, and therefore it's not going to be able to go down anymore. But I personally really like this both filled out like this, but also with the kind of slouch as well. But you really can't fit much if you purposely kind of slouch it. All right, so I'm gonna do some mod shots now, and I do have all of my things still in this bag, so it is fully stuffed. And for reference, I'm quite petite, so I'm about 5'2", 5'3". I do have a small body frame as well, so this bag might not look as small on me as others, but this is what it looks like for me. Super easy to hold by the hands, put it on my wrist, etc. I do think it has a really nice and decent drop length for the handle, so really comfortable. But yeah, that is what it looks like for that. And now I'm going to stick on the longer strap so you can kind of see this as a crossbody. All right, so here is the bag, and the longer strap is now attached to it. And as you can see, that small little loop just goes right through that leather loop right there. And I feel like when the strap is off the bag, it looks really seamless. It doesn't even look like you're supposed to have a longer strap on this. And it's really not too difficult to stick the strap on. But for me, crossbody, it's still really comfortable in terms of the wear. It's not too long where I would kind of complain about that. And it does leave a little bit of room for me if I wanted to wear like a thicker top for it to still lie pretty comfortably. I don't personally like knotting a strap, so this is kind of how it's going to look on me if I do want to use it crossbody. And I also don't want to change the knot on this as well. So yeah, this is what it looks like if I were to wear this crossbody. But yeah, that is a quick overview, review, first impressions of this bag right here. Again, this is the Verafied Café Mini in the Python print. I again want to say I'm really happy overall with this bag. I'm really happy that I did end up picking this up. I think it's just going to be such a cute bag to use, date or night. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave those down in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer them. But as usual, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. And for those that subscribe, I really appreciate it. But otherwise, I hope you all have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video.